Hello, so in this feature demo, we're going to walk through a couple of quick steps you can take in order to change the width of your bundle builder. As you can see in our theme, our next section below the bundle builder is a bit wider. So if we want to stay on theme and we want to change the width of this bundle builder section, you can do so within the editor itself. So let's go ahead and jump over into our editor, which you can see here. And you're just going to go ahead and select the Bundle Builder app. And then over here in the right-hand column, you're going to see a couple of options you have under Layout to update the width of your bundle builder. So with our dropdown, you can select between boxed or full page width. If you keep it within our boxed dropdown option, you can manually change the width of your bundle builder right here. So we're currently at 1100 pixels. Let's change it to 1300 pixels and see where that lands us. So once we make that change, we're just going to save it. And now let's navigate back over to the live site. Let's refresh our page and see where that lands. Perfect. So as you can see now, this aligns more with the width of the next section. You can make it wider if you wanted to. You could even make it less wide. So all of that's just going to be done right here by updating your maxed width. Let us know if you have any questions, or as always, if you have any feature requests, and we're happy to help. Thank you.